Morning. I had a rough night, I'm not gonna lie. Look at this.
外面的出去可以拍照，可以拍，可以拍。外景那个。
它还有3个景点。
Because most people, Dutch people actually speak well English. Yeah?
He's just like, can't like understand. Like, he's like, you can have a conversation with him.
Yeah. It's so pretty here. I know it's man-made, but doesn't stop it from being pretty. Couldn't tell you where I am right now. Probably lost, but this place is so pretty, and there's like water sprays everywhere, which is so nice. It keeps you so cool. But I don't know where I am, to be honest. It's quite big. But look at this. Look at that. I know it's man-made, but it's still pretty. Oh my god, look at him. Backpack. Got my food. Gonna head back up to my room. I have not been feeling the best this afternoon, so I had a shower. Yeah. I've been chilling. Low-key scary. I literally haven't filmed like anything today, like speaking. So the train was actually 2 hours late into Chiang Mai. Supposed to get in at 7:15 in the morning. We didn't get in until just gone 9:30, which is obviously extremely annoying because I had booked something for 8:30. And they very kindly did push it for me until 9. But we still, like, the train was still just getting more and more delayed. So I didn't end up going on my tour that I was supposed to go on, which was Land of Angels, the Sticky Waterfalls, and the Elephant Place. So obviously I was bummed out about that because I'm here for 2 days only. Yeah, I don't know, I've been having a down day. And I went to the Land of Angels, and I was like having my lunch, and I was just like trying not to cry, and I was like, you know what, I just need to go back to the hotel and have a cry. Sometimes that just needs to happen. Yeah, so I came back, I had my little moment, and then I hopped in the shower, did my lashes. But yeah, I met some cool people on the train. I met these 2 people on the train, and yeah, it was fun. Like, it was like a little sleepover, like a little train sleepover. So funny. And honestly, 10 out of 10 would recommend a sleeper train, because you can, like, it's so much nicer than flying. Obviously it's hella long, but you can lie down and just go to sleep. And obviously if you meet people, like, you might not be around people that you get along with or whatever, but if you're lucky enough that you are, like, I got very lucky, I suppose, yesterday. But it was just so fun. It was just like a sleepover. But yeah, that was very cool. And yeah, I'm gonna eat and chill.